Hello and welcome to QA Vision. Today I'll show you how to create your first API test in Postman step by step. Let's get started. Postman is a free tool for testing APIs. You can send requests, see responses, and even write tests without full coding. Let's begin the right way with good structure. We'll keep everything organized just like in real projects. Click New, then Collection. Let's name it Demo API Tests. You can add a short description too, like Learning API. Now, click Add folder, name it Get Requests. That's where we'll put today's request. Time to make our first request. Click Add Request and name it Get Post by ID. Choose method get and paste this URL. Ready? Click Send. Boom, here's your response, status 200, that means it worked. And now you can save it. Let's add some logic that runs after the response. Click the Scripts tab. There are two buttons here, one for pre-request and one for post-response. Click post-response. This opens a code editor where we can write the script to check the response. Now, paste this code. This script checks that the response status is 200 and that the body includes a field called userId. Click Send button again to run the request. And now look at the tabs above the response. You'll see one called Test Results. Here you'll see the outcome of our post-response script. If all went well, you'll see green labels that say Passed. But now, let's break it for a second. In your script, change the expected status from 200 to 400. Click Send again. Now, go back to the Test Results tab. One of the checks now showed failed in red. You also get details what was expected and what was actually received. That's a fast way to spot issues. It was interesting, but let's fix the script now. Change the expected status back from 400 to 200. Click Send one more time. Both results are green, marked as passed, and looks like everything is working again. So now, let me show you one more useful thing, the collection runner. On the left, find the folder you created earlier, click the three dots next to it, then choose Run. This opens the collection runner tool. It lets you run multiple requests one after another and see the summary of all results at once. This is super handy when you have more scripts, or when you want to test everything before the release. And that's it for today. You just created your first automated API check in Postman. You built a collection, created a GET request, wrote a post-response script, and saw both passed and failed outcomes. Next time we'll take it further. We'll explore post requests, use variables, and chain calls. If this was helpful, hit like, subscribe, or leave a comment. More practical QA content is coming soon. Thank you for watching.